In today's digital age, web and app security is more crucial than ever. Whether you're an individual or a business, protecting your online assets is a top priority. Cyber threats like hacking, phishing, and data breaches are on the rise, but fear not. TechieShubhDeep IT Solutions Pvt Ltd is here to guide you through the world of online dangers. At TechieShubhDeep, we are a leading IT solutions provider offering expertise in web development, app development, and cybersecurity. Our services include creating dynamic websites and user-friendly apps tailored to your unique needs. Plus, our cybersecurity solutions are designed to safeguard your online assets in this ever-changing threat landscape. First, always keep your software up to date to patch known vulnerabilities. Use strong authentication methods like multi-factor authentication to protect sensitive data. Conduct regular security audits to find and fix vulnerabilities. Educate your users to recognize and thwart common cyber threats. Have a solid backup and disaster recovery plan in place for emergencies. Ensure third-party components meet security best practices. In a world where cyber threats are a constant, TechieShubhDeep IT Solutions Pvt Ltd is your partner in securing your web and app assets. Visit our website at www.techiesgroup.co.in, call us at +918 305 233 223, or email us at info@techiesgroup.co.in.